Let us ask, what is literature? In our country, if you ask someone what's literature, the first answer is that it is a reflection of society. Sahitya Samaj ka darpan hai. This sentence is simply, everyone has crammed it. Everyone has accepted this sentence that what is literature? Literature is a reflection of the society. Now, the question is that literature is a reflection of the social trends, reflection of the social behavior. Literature is a reflection of a certain milieu in which it is written. This is true. But it is an attribute of literature. When we say, what is literature? What exactly is literature? For example, if there is a table, we say, what is this table? Of what it is made? What comprises this table? What elements have gone into making this table? What are the factors? What are the things which make this table? Uses of the table come afterwards. The first thing is, what makes this table? In the same manner, literature is words. Literature is made up of words. Words comprise, words make literature. Now, the second question, the following question is, what kind of words? What kind of words make literature? Because there are words all over. There are words in a railway timetable. There are words in a telephone directory. There are words in an advertisement. There are words all over. So are they literature? No. Here comes the real definition of literature. Literature is words, words which are meaningful, artistic, intentional, and structured. Literature is those words which are aesthetically written, which are intentionally written, which have a message, and which are structured in a proper manner. Literature is those words which have meaning, which convey a deeper meaning. Words which decipher, words which explain the fabric of life, the patterns of this world. Any group of words cannot be called literature. To be qualified as literature, words have to be very, very practiced. Words have to be very beautiful. Words have to be very meaningful. Words have to have the power to touch your conscience, to touch your soul, to touch your heart. Now, that group of words is called literature. Once we understand what is literature, then comes what is the purpose of literature? Why we need literature? Why we need poems, novels, biographies, autobiographies, plays? Why we need them? If you ask someone what are the basic needs of life, that person will tell you shelter, food and clothes. Food, shelter, clothes. So these are the basic needs of life. Roti, kapda or makan. Now, if you give a human being clothes, food and shelter, nothing more, that human being cannot survive. Words are necessary for human survival. Expression, communication, bonding, values, morals, stories, connection, these are essential for human survival. These are the things which make us human. We are animals, no doubt about it. Humans are at the highest strata of that pyramid of life. We are in the animal chart, but there is something which differentiates us from other animals. Literature, art, music, painting, sculpture, these are the things which differentiate us from other animals. Literature is what makes us human, and it is essential for survival. No human being, for example, during this lockdown, we are all locked down, and all of us need music. What is music? We listen to the lyrics, we listen to the words, we listen to the meaning that it makes. That is very much literature. We need stories, we need to communicate, we need to bond with each other, we need to communicate, we need to be together. We just need to be humans, and for being human, literature is necessary. So what is the purpose of literature? The basic purpose of literature is to make us humans, to make us better human beings, to connect us to our souls, to connect us to other human beings, to make people realize that there is a universal bonding among all human beings. There is a running connection which connects all human beings. We are all related to each other by that conscience, by that light, by that invisible flow of soul. Literature is that means which makes us realize our potential as human beings. That is the purpose of literature. So next time, if anyone says that why literature, why poems, why novels, why aesthetic words, you can very well tell them that this is what makes us human. It is as essential as food, shelter, and clothes. A human being cannot survive just by being an animal. A human being cannot survive just with these basic things, basic physical, material needs, because we are designed in a superior manner. We need elevation. We need to rise above the self. And literature is that medium which makes us do that. It makes us human. So, what is literature and what is the purpose of literature? We will definitely continue our dialogue. Thank you.